Addressing a meeting of the Congress Working Committee, the party's highest decision-making body, Sonia Gandhi said on Saturday that she is a full-time and hands-on Congress president, pushing back against critics within the party who say that the Congress is suffering a leadership vacuum since Rahul Gandhi resigned from the post 2 years ago. A group seen as a rebel, the G23, comprising senior Congress leaders, have demanded for organizational overhaul as Congress gets reduced in stature in election after election. Sonia Gandhi said, and I quote, "I am, if you will allow me to say so, a full-time and hands-on Congress president." She highlighted her leadership on national issues like the farmers' protests, the provision of aid and relief during the pandemic, and atrocities committed on marginalized groups and communities. Former aide of Jayalalitha, V.K. Shashikala, on Saturday visited the ex-chief minister's memorial for the first time since her release from jail. Her visit is being seen as a possible return to politics, although Shashikala has downplayed the possibility of the same. In March, after her release, she had said that she will not return to the public life. At that time, her decision was seen as a cautious move to ensure that the opposition DMK's victory is not blamed on her re-entry into politics. Her visit follows AIADMK's loss in assembly and local body polls. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said during her visit to Washington that the Biden administration and leaders from the corporate sector in the US have welcomed recent economic reforms introduced by her government. She said, and I quote, "The reforms that we've undertaken, particularly the steps taken for the withdrawal of the retrospective tax, has been mentioned by the United States administration as a very positive step. The businesses with whom we have been interacting have also welcomed that decision," she said. At an interview to the Indian Express, senior party leader and CWC member Harish Rawat said that election strategist Prashant Kishore can join the Congress if he wants to, but as a worker, he cannot expect the party to work in a certain manner. The party, he said, cannot be mortgaged to anybody. He may be a very, very capable person, but we cannot say that, "Baba, now you do some work on our behalf, we will stop working," Rawat said. This comes as suspense builds over Kishore joining the Congress. India's batting stalwart Rahul Dravid is all set to take over as the national cricket team's head coach following the T20 World Cup in the UAE, having agreed to the BCCI's offer after initial reluctance. The 48-year-old Dravid has been charged of India A and U19 setup for the past 6 years. Initially, he was reluctant, but it is understood that President Sourav Ganguly and Secretary Jay Shah had a meeting with Rahul on the sidelines of the IPL final where they were able to convince him, a BCCI official told PTI on the condition of anonymity. Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.